everybody. Jumping the gun here a little bit. They're in urgent severe weather music as we've got a tornado watch in effect for portions of Iowa right now. We'll kind of get into what's going on weather-wise here in just a moment. So welcome to the studio here as we'll get you up to date on what is happening across the state of Iowa here this afternoon. We've got some warnings that are in effect for portions of northern Iowa. Of course, we want to run down what's going on here with the weather situation. Tornado watch in effect for some. That is in effect through this evening for portions of northern Iowa. As you can see right now, we've got some thunderstorm activity there. That is just to the southwest of Bancroft. I'm trying to determine if the National Weather Service is going to let this warning expire. This warning is in effect until 4:45 for that area, which includes the Emmetsburg area. We've got severe thunderstorm warning in effect for southern Palo Alto County. That is in effect until 4:45 here this afternoon. Just a few more moments trying to decide if the Weather Service is planning on, let's see if they have an update here. A lot of reports of mostly pea-sized hail with most of the storms moving into the area despite what look like stronger updrafts. Expectation is that the environment isn't overly conductive for large hail, at least along the line. Gusty winds and the potential for a brief tornado seem to be the primary concerns. So that is according to the National Weather Service in Des Moines. So not really large hail threat, more of a gusty winds threat and maybe a brief tornado is what they are saying, the National Weather Service in Des Moines, with the thunderstorms that are moving through the area. It'll be interesting to see if they continue this warning or issue it more to the northeast area, which would include Kossuth County, or to let this one expire at 4:45. I guess we'll see what happens. But anyway, further to the south, we've got severe thunderstorm warnings in effect for southeastern Sac, southwestern Calhoun, eastern Crawford, and Carroll County in effect until 5:15. Those areas here. And then we've got kind of a bunch of different warnings in effect. Shelby County until 5:45. Severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5 for north central Potawatomi and southeastern Harrison and Shelby counties in that area. Lots of lightning in this area. Severe thunderstorm warning until 5:15 for Potawatomi and southeastern Shelby County in southwestern Iowa. So that is kind of where we stand at this point in time. We've got kind of an isolated storm just to the southwest of Emmetsburg that looks pretty impressive. And to the west of the Fenton area, southwest of Ringstead. Pretty intense storm there. Let's see. That's an update from the National Weather Service. Let's see what they're thinking. Severe thunderstorm warning for Palo Alto County will expire at 4:45. There we go. There's our answer. The storm which prompted the warning is weakened below severe limits and no longer poses an immediate threat to life or property. Therefore, the warning has been allowed to expire. However, small hail and gusty winds are still possible with additional thunderstorms, and a tornado watch remains in effect until 7 o'clock. As you can see, the warning box disappeared off the screen there with the warning expiring at 4:45, and that is on the northern edge of the line. It'll be interesting to see how some of these other storms, if they make it into the North Iowa area or not, or if they just stay further to the south. I could see this line affecting Ames and Jewel Junction, Webster City, as far north. And then obviously there doesn't seem to be a lot of organization here with these storms on the northern end of the line. So I don't know if we'll have any severe weather over northern Iowa, which for those of you who don't want severe weather, that's some good news. But it just doesn't seem like the storms on the northern edge of the line in northern Iowa are all that organized compared to the storms that are more down towards the central part of Iowa. And another warning just came in That warning continues. We do have a tornado warning too. This is way down south. This is in Nebraska for northeastern Johnson, northwestern Nemaha, and southeastern Otoe County and southeastern Nebraska in effect until 5:30, which that could move into the southwestern corner of Iowa. But yeah, as you can see here on the radar returns, it doesn't look like the activity over Emmett, Palo Alto, Pocahontas counties east of Clay, southeastern Clay County. Doesn't seem like the activity there is very organized at this point in time. So we'll keep an eye on it. Tornado watch in effect for portions of northern Iowa. That is in effect until 7 o'clock. As you can see, some of these counties off the edge, the western part of the watch have been trimmed off as the thunderstorms head to the east with this tornado watch in effect until 7. It remains to be seen what is going to happen in this area here as the evening progresses. Obviously, you can even still see here that these storms don't look very organized to the southwest of Bancroft, west of Algona, west of West Bend. They don't look all that organized. Lots of lightning. It looks like a lot of lightning in that area, but not a lot of severe activity. We'll keep an eye on it and keep you informed throughout the evening here with the latest weather information here on the Weather Iowa social media platforms, available on YouTube, available on Facebook, Twitter, Threads, Instagram, all these different platforms, TikTok. You can follow us there as well to receive weather updates. But that is where we stand for the time being. Everybody stay safe wherever you're at. We'll keep you informed, of course, throughout the evening here. Tornado watch does remain in effect until 7 o'clock this evening for portions of northern Iowa. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay safe, and we'll keep you informed throughout the night with severe weather coverage here on the Weather Iowa social media platforms.